Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the fundamentals. Verify your plan's speed caps and whether 5G is available. Carriers sometimes throttle after a threshold. Next, position the hotspot high and near a window to reduce interference and improve line of sight to the tower. Once done, restart the hotspot and your client devices and immediately disable Bluetooth and background sync to free up bandwidth. You do these steps first because they remove obvious bottlenecks and often produce the biggest gains quickly. Now you dive into the detailed adjustments. If your device supports band selection, force a stable 5G or 4G LTE band to avoid constant switching, because a consistent band reduces latency and packet loss. Then, change the hotspot Wi-Fi channel to 1, 6, or 11. Pick the least congested. Use 20 MHz for crowded areas and 40 MHz for speed when clear. Also, tighten security with WPA2 or WPA3 and limit connected devices. Finish by applying targeted fixes. When available, use USB tethering for the best latency and steady throughput. Wi-Fi remains flexible, but wired is faster. Make sure firmware is up to date, run speed tests, and enable CoS to prioritize work-critical devices and traffic. This keeps essential apps responsive. If performance still falters, swap the SIM into a different hotspot or phone, try an external antenna or signal booster, and contact your carrier. If nothing changes, they can check tower-side problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.